Locofy AI review. Is it helpful? So Locofy AI is an AI-powered tool that transforms Figma or Adobe XD designs into production-ready front-end code, specifically targeting tech stacks like React, React Native, Next.js, Gatsby, and basic HTML or CSS. So its features and benefits or its pros are it has design-to-code conversion, which means it converts visual designs directly into functional responsive code. It also has a multi-framework support. It also has a responsive prototyping and live preview. It even has a design integration and workflow alignment. And it has significant time saving, which means the users report up to 80% reduction in development time. However, it comes with the cons to consider. So the code quality can vary. So it makes sure to make the prompt be specific. The preparations also matter, so make sure to be prepared when you start using the platform. And they have a limited customization compared to other platforms. So overall, is it worth it? Well, its best use cases is accelerating front-end builds from design handoffs, generating prototypes, and components rapidly. It's also more on enabling better collaboration between designers and developers. So proceed caution if you need production grade, extendable code without manual improvements. But overall, if your goal is to dramatically speed up the design to code workflow, then it is worth it.